So let's multiply this random number with a 10 into 10 and let's see what is the result. So it is coming up a result between 1 to 10. It will throw a number that is between 1 to 10. All right. We can also use the round function, and we can round the number to 0 decimal places to get the exact value numbers, integers, not the decimal ones. All right. So this is the use of the random function. Okay. So there's one more function that is ran between. And okay, I mistyped it. I will make the corrections, no issues. So ran between, it takes up two arguments, the bottom and the top value. Let's give the bottom value as 20 and top value as 1. So it will generate a random number between 1 to, okay, I made some mistake it seems. Okay, bottom value, okay. So 1 comma 20. Okay, it is displaying a random number between 1 comma 20. Let's extend the result, and as you can see, it is displaying a random number between 1 comma 20. If you want to generate a random decimal between 1 to 20, what we need to do? We need to simply, here I will display it, right? Rand function, and we'll multiply it with 10 and we'll add 10 to it because we want to generate a random number between 1 to 20. So 10 to 20. So we'll write, so it will generate a random number between 10 to 20 only. All right, and if you want to round it off, we can round it using our round function and up to 0 decimal places. So it will give the round value, it will be the random numbers. All right, so this is all about random numbers and rand between function. We can use it whenever we feel like we need to generate a data set for our values. We can definitely use it. It is very useful function. So now we'll move ahead and we'll understand what is rank function. It is again a very useful function, and we'll learn that function. And before doing that, we'll clear our Excel workbook. And so friends, now we'll move ahead and we'll understand the rank function. And to do so, we need to write some random numbers in thousands. So we'll do it. And so I have manually typed it. What if I want to use a rand function to generate that random number between 1000 to 10,000? We can simply generate a random number. We can multiply it with 10,000 and we can see what is the result. It is coming up a random number in thousands. We can give the value till 0 places, and we can press enter. So we'll extend the result and we'll give the random numbers between 1000 to 10,000. So let's start working with it. And because it is a function, we need to copy this value so that we can work on it, and we can paste it here and we'll paste the values. All right, so it has pasted the values here. So now let's apply the rank function and see what we mean by rank function. It is actually giving the number, the start number. So we'll give it at A1, and it is giving me the reference on which we want to check the rank of this number, and we want to check it for the absolute reference of $1 to $10, and we'll give the last argument as 0. I will explain it later on. So it is coming up 7th, and let's extend it. Okay, let's see what are the other rank. So as we can see, what is the first rank? First rank is 9,000. As we have given our last argument as 0, so the highest value will have the rank 1. All right, the smallest value is 200, and it has given the rank as per the reference. All right, so let's do one thing. Let's quickly change the argument and apply the rank function with A1 comma $A $1 to dollar a sorry $10 with 1. The value is 1. We'll give it a 1 and we'll press enter. And it is coming out as fourth. Let's see what is the highest value. So 200, which was the smallest earlier, is the highest, and 1, which was the highest, is the lowest. So this is how we can change the rank order by giving up the third argument. All right, let's clean this up and let's check for the number that we have created using random function. Every time we refresh the page, this number will definitely change. So you might have seen that, but this number will not change because these are the values. All right, now we'll apply the rank function with d1 comma $d $1 to $d $10, and we'll give our argument as 0, and we'll close the parenthesis and we'll see 4. Okay, fine, cool. Now we'll see what is the smallest number here. So the smallest number is coming up, the largest number is coming up this, and the smallest is coming up 222. All right, so let's change the argument. Let's make it b1, and let's make the range also from b1 to b10. Let's press enter and let's simply extend the result. All right, so the largest number is 9499. Now let's do one thing. Let's simply click it and let's extend it again. So now you can see, now it has given the different result for all the ranks. So every time this will change, it will give a different result. All right, we can do it again. So again, the rank has changed because random function generates a value after every refresh. Let's make it 1 here and let's press enter, and let's see, like, let's extend the result. And as you can see, the smallest number has the rank first. It is at the third in the here, and let's again refresh it. And as you can see, the random function is doing its work very properly, and our rank function is also doing its work very properly. So we can do it again and we can see that the result is coming up properly. So this is all about random and the rank function. You can mail us if you want any other explanation, or if you want me to explain anything. So thank you for your time and thank you for listening. Have a great day.